Connecting a new smart thermostat can reveal hidden wiring problems in older heating and cooling systems, causing unexpected failures or intermittent operation. Smart thermostats require a steady, low-voltage power source to run their electronics and network radios, typically provided by a common wire, often called the C wire, and many older thermostats were simple battery-powered, or used only 2 wires for basic switching. When replacing an older thermostat, check the existing wiring at both the thermostat and the air handler or furnace control board, because terminals may be unlabeled, loose, corroded, or absent, and wires that appear unused can be serving other safety or relay functions. If the common wire is missing, homeowners can route a new conductor from the control board to the thermostat location, or install a power extender kit that supplies the required return from the air handler. But the extender must be compatible with the control board type to avoid electrical noise or false signals. Another option is to use an external plug-in transformer to create a constant 5 to 24 volt low voltage supply, making sure it isolates from the equipment control circuits to prevent ground loops and safety violations. For heat pump systems and multi-stage equipment, verify that the smart thermostat supports the system type and that the wiring maps correctly to compressor reversing valves, auxiliary heat, and 2-stage circuits, because miswiring can short control circuits and trip safety devices. Always turn off power at the breaker or service switch before accessing control terminals, take clear photos of the existing terminal layout, and test voltage with a multimeter to confirm the presence and polarity of the common and control wires before finalizing the installation. Common issues include missing common wiring, which prevents the thermostat from powering its display or Wi-Fi radio, and the remedy is adding a proper common conductor or using an approved power adapter to supply continuous low voltage. Another frequent problem is incompatible control board signals, where the thermostat drives a relay directly, but the older board expects dry contacts, and the fix is to install an isolation relay matched to the control board or choose a thermostat model designed for dry contact interfaces. The third concern is backfeeding or stray voltage caused by improper connections or shared circuits, which can create intermittent operation or damage. Resolve this by isolating the thermostat power source, using the manufacturer-recommended wiring schematic, and verifying with a meter that no unintended voltage is present. We run bighomeprojects.com to help homeowners locate local contractors with the right HVAC and electrical experience for smart thermostat installs. We also help contractors find new work by listing jobs and project leads that match their trade and service area.